channel. You're tuned into Living Modestly Naturally DIYs. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. And to all my new and returning subscribers, I want to say thank you for the support. In this video, I will be making, as you can see from the title, a DIY room and linen spray. This room and linen spray is going to smell like lemons. Okay, so if you like the scent of lemons, then this recipe is just for you. So without further ado, let's get started with the mixing. I already pre-made a batch here, and it has 3 essential oils. So the essential oils that it has is the organic lemon essential oil from the brand Rocky Mountain Oils. That's going to be the base. And for the middle, I have lemongrass essential oil as the middle, okay? And then I have, for the top note, I have peppermint oil. That's also going to be in this mixture. Now, let's talk about how many drops I used. So, for the lemon, organic lemon, I used 100 drops, okay? In this container, there's 100 drops of lemon, 70 drops of lemongrass, and 30 drops of peppermint oil in this mixture. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a carrier oil. A carrier oil is so important to use in a mixture with essential oils because essential oils are very potent and it can be very irritating to the skin. Okay, so we have to have a carrier oil to balance everything out. So I'm going to place half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. You can use any other carrier oil of your choice, but I'm going to use half a teaspoon of grapeseed oil. So let's go. Hopefully I don't spill it. I had to spill it. Oh man. All right. So then now what we're going to do is I'm going to take the glass stirrer here and I'm going to mix it all the way, mix it around, make sure everything is nice and incorporated. And after I'm done with that, I'm going to set it aside, just a few, and leave it and move on to the next thing. All right, next you want to take an 8-ounce glass container like this, and I'm going to combine the Denatured Grain alcohol. Okay, Denatured Grain alcohol, I'm going to put 1/3 cup of the Denatured Grain alcohol into this mixture. Why, you ask? Well, it's going to serve as a preservative agent to the mixture, and also it's going to help solubilize the mixture as well, which means it's going to bring the liquid and the oil, it's going to combine them. And also it's good for keeping the fragrance alive and smelling so nice and fresh and just keeping things, you know, together in your mixture. So 1/3 cup. So I'm going to show you here as I pour. I'm going to reach 1/3 cup there. That's looking like it's almost there, almost there. All right, so we got 1/3 cup right there. Just about. Let me get something like this. I'm very clumsy, guys. Like, yeah, so we got 1/3 cup. And then what we're going to do is going to add the fragrance combo. So add that. My little helper. He's right there. And so I'm going to mix. Then I'm also going to use this stick blender. The stick blender is optional. I'm going to mix it around really nicely. And the stick blender, I'm just going to do it really slowly. So, just really slowly, not too much. Okay? So once that's done, now I'm going to set that aside. Now for the next step, we're going to add distilled water. So I have some distilled water in here. So this is going to be about 1.5 cups of distilled water. So 1.5 cup. Really would like for y'all to see it where I am. So we got 1 and then half. Alright, thank you, baby. You're helping me? So it looks like about that much right there, 1.5 cup of distilled water. So now set that aside. And so what we're going to do is now we're going to combine the Denatured Grain alcohol and the fragrance combo into this container. Put it all together. You see how the effects of the alcohol and everything, how it just blends in the fragrance and everything. So now we're just gonna mix that all together. Not too much, I gotta be careful. Not to get too crazy with it. So here we go with that. So as you can see, everything blends in really well. And next, this is a 14-ounce container. So this mixture is enough for 14 ounces, okay? So make sure you get yourself a glass jar, plastic jar, but preferably a glass jar is better. We're keeping everything as fresh as possible. Now we're gonna pour. So there we are. The room and linen spray. Let's put this up here. And so as you can see, it reached, let's bring it up, reached to about, not too much, but it's just right there. It's right there. So there you have it. And then make sure what you do is you also, excuse me, also you want to label it. So here, I'm going to write label. Because you don't want people in your house thinking it's something else that is not, right? So we're going to put a label right there. Room and linen spray. Yeah. Alright, so let's put the label on. Yeah. So there we are. Oops. So there we are. So you got the room and linen spray. Let's see what's going on with it. Excuse me, baby. Excuse me, love. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Let's spray. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, sounds really nice. Yes, so if you're looking for that lemon zest, like it's really lemon scent. The lemon scent is really empowering this whole entire combo. The peppermint, I added the peppermint as a top note to give it just a little bit of flair, just to kind of think outside the box. I don't think I've ever seen combinations with lemon and peppermint, so I figured maybe I could add peppermint to kind of give it a little oomph, but don't go overboard with the peppermint, which is why I placed it as a top note, because I want it to appear, you know, for just a short period of time and then just disappear, and that's what top notes do. The base and the middle, I wanted the base to be lemon. The lemon scent is very it's very light, but if you do apply a lot of it, it will, you know, hold itself. So I put 100 drops of this, and then I went ahead and did 70 drops of lemongrass, because Lemongrass is it is strong. It's stronger than the lemon, which is why I put just a little. It's more than the peppermint, but not as much as the lemon, so that it can kind of balance it, because it will take over. Lemongrass oil will take over your mixtures, so you have to be careful. Just use just enough. I smell it, but it's not over the top, okay? Anything over can really mess up the combination. So I hope you give it a try, and I will leave the links in the description box of where the oils, I'll show you again, where these oils can be purchased, okay, in the description box below. And also any of the other products, like if you need to know where I got the Denatured Grain alcohol, I could also leave links in the description box as well for you. And any other ingredients and products or whatever, I can do that for you as well. And especially the recipe, okay? Someone had asked me to like share the recipes of these DIYs that I do, so please check the description box below. Yes, baby, please check the description box below, and I will have the recipe information for you, so you can try yourself. So thank you so much once again for watching. Be sure to do what? Like, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, share with friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you're interested. And remember, aim for modesty, carry beauty naturally, and may Jesus Christ dwell in you. So I see you all in the next video. Later.